bowl and our masher. We have to mix and mix and mix. And we got a bowl that is not anything in it. Hi guys, I'm Amaria, and I'll show you how to make banana cake. Are you ready to begin? Preheat the oven, 350 degrees. Are you ready? Let's begin. We need 3 bananas. 1. Hold on my hand. Messy hand. Thanks, Mommy. Okay, ready, set, go. 3/4 cups of sugar. It's hard to mix. 1 large egg. 1 large egg. 1 large egg so I can mix the yolk. 1/4 cup of oil. 1/4 cup of milk. There we go. Mixing. I'm mixing. That's big hands. Do we need to help us? Little splash of vanilla extract. Mix the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. 1 cup of flour. I can do flour. You'll be a chew. Can you do it so hard? 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda. I can do it. I can do it, Mommy. Smells so good. Mix, mix, mix! Pour into grease pan. And spreading it. Mommy, can you help me? I love banana cake. Here's your banana cake. Bake for 40 minutes. I hope you like it. I'm Amaria. I hope you like this video. Give us a subscribe if you like our channel, but don't miss our video.